Hello. The question is A can do a piece of work in 14 days which B can do in 21 days. They begin together but 3 days before the completion of the work A leaves off. The total number of days to complete the work is. Here in the question A can do a piece of work in 14 days which B can do in 21 days. Firstly, we will calculate the total work by taking the LCM of these two timings, and the LCM of 14 and 21 is 42. Therefore, this 42 is the total work. 14 3 times 42, 21 2 times 42. These are the efficiency of A and B. Then according to question, they begin together. If we draw this on this line, they begin together means A and B start working together, but 3 days before the completion of the work A leaves off. Means if work is completed here, then A leaves off before 3 days. A leaves off means B continued for the last 3 days. If we calculate the work of B of the last 3 days, then work of B for the last 3 days is equals to efficiency of B, that is 2, and the time of B is 3. Therefore, work completed by B is 6 work in the last 3 days. Then the remaining work, which is done by A and B, equals to the total work is 42 and the work done by B in the last 3 days is 6. Therefore, the remaining work is 36. This work is done by A plus B. Then time of A plus B to do remaining work equals to, the remaining work is 36 and the efficiency of A plus B is 5. Therefore, the time is 7 1 by 5 days. We have to calculate the total number of days to complete the work. The total number of days is 7 1 by 5 days. That is the time taken by A plus B, and the 3 days, which is the time taken by B for the last 3 days. The total time equals to 7 1 by 5 days plus 3 days, that is 10 1 by 5 days. Thank you.